But that's okay. You know what? We get down and we get back up. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Macros at the end, buddy. Don't forget. Let's see what we got. Oh, so I made this before I went to pool. So I kind of forgot what I had planned. Hang on. Or not what I had planned, but what I sent. Smells so good. Okay. We got ground beef, 180 pounds. Bacon, 180 grams. I weighed 182 pounds this morning. Hopefully I'll remember to talk about that. Bacon bits, ketchup, cheese, and tallow. So those are the things that I have in here. So basically, we got a bacon cheeseburger. What I think would have been yummy is if I had just a little bit of, I wonder if I could do some kind of vinegar that would make it taste like a pickled, like a little bit of pickles were in there, like a little pickle juice. I mean, I know I could use pickle juice, but I don't want to go, I want to open a whole jar of pickles just for not eating the pickles right now. We'll see. All right. So yeah, we know what this is. So it's a bacon cheeseburger. Let me take a bite. Couple things to talk about. I won at Pool League last night. Go Terri. I won at Pool League. I stepped on the scale this morning. I was 182. I know it's not what I'm eating. My body's going through something right now. I don't know what it's going through. I just gotta let it do its thing. On my way down, I would have weeks of, I've had a month or two stalls. I've had a 7-month stall. It just happens. You have to just stay the course. Don't get mad. Well, you can get mad. They don't do no good. But you can get mad if you want to get mad. But anyway, just stay the course. I know this works. I know what I'm doing works because it's worked before. It's not like all of a sudden my body's like, gee willikers, let's change our mind and we're not gonna do this anymore. We're not gonna work, And it ain't how it happens. So, there's just so much going around right now. My body's just fighting to not have me puking like everybody, fighting to not giving me the diarrhea that people have, fighting to not let me have all the sinus stuff that's going around. So my body's just fighting for its life. And you can't stop it. You can't stop all that stuff. All right, so I told you what we're eating. Told you about my scale going up. I remember we played pool last night. I had played 9-ball and I won. I won. I don't know. I think I'm slowing down in a good way. Like I used to just go up there, shoot, get up, shoot, but now I'm really, really trying to focus on slowing down and that's my mantra when I walk there. I'm like, slow down, focus, and stay down. Because what happens is your pool sticks like this, and you're supposed to just go boop, and then get up. Ooh, I have been very gassy this whole week. That's what I'm saying. My body's fighting something. Anyway, but instead, a lot of times if you get up fast, you kind of go like this. So you're not hitting, you're doing like this. And so I'm really focusing on focus, line it up. And I say focus, slow down. Don't just go, okay, there it is. Psh. Focus, slow down, and poop, stay down. And then get up. So that's my mantra. I won last week and this week. All right. Yeah, I brought this Mylanta. I haven't taken it this morning. Because, I've kind of been getting nauseated from my sinus drainage standpoint. So, anyway, I haven't needed it. But ChatGPT, when I was talking to it, I know I talk about it a lot. I was talking to it about like the nausea that I was having from my sinus drainage. It said to add Prevacid, I think, whatever it was it said to add, and I did, and now I'm burpy. I don't know which one came first. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Which came first, chicken or the egg? Anyway, so that's what I know. I don't know. I don't know nothing. I'm just jibber jabbering. I've had some coffee and I'm in a good mood. Today's Friday. So tomorrow, let's not worry about what all I'm talking about. Tomorrow I have I go to Walmart. I'm not going to do any meal prep. I'm going to hold off probably next week, but tomorrow I'm going to be buying 4 of the 5-pound of the 80/20 burgers. And I've got my budget and everything all ready to go. So I'm going to do that tomorrow. I'll tell you what tomorrow's Terri needs to do is clean them dog door flaps. Y'all, she really, I gotta pee. I really need to do that. Forget that she stuff. And I am so proud of myself. I have been working on my self-talk. You know, I know that doesn't have to start till Monday, but, you know, like for church, what we talked about is that I'm focusing on, and I've told everybody I work with now, so they've all been told, if you hear me saying something not nice about me or somebody else, I don't really talk about other people. Typically, you know, it's like somebody's telling me something about somebody and I'm like, oh, and I kind of get into the conversation and I might contribute, but I don't go up to somebody and be like, oh my gosh, do you know what she did? But still, if I'm involved in a conversation, you know, I contribute. So, anyway, so I've told the whole team, if you hear me talking mean to Terri or mean about anybody else, to say something. Because I'm just going to be like, I told them, I'm like, you're supposed to, and then I'm going to be like, but then they asked if they could slap me. I said, well, yeah, because for me, I go, when I love them, because I just love my team, and so I just like to, and they don't think that that's a love pat. Like, the nerve of them. And then one of my staff said that that's called, I think I told y'all before, it's called acute, not ACUTE, but acute aggression. So I don't know whatever it's called, but I just go up and I'm like, but they said they could slap me, and I said, okay, it'll be like a love pat. And they said, no, we're going to slap you. Anyway, so, yeah, it's a good day. I'm out of chart Hades. I am so ready for it to, sorry, I got to pee. I am so ready for it to warm up so we can go back to our picnic table. I've got all, you know, my stuff inside ready and raring to go back to our picnic table when it gets just a little warmer. But I heard it's supposed to get cold again this weekend. I don't know. We're drinking this, Korean raspberry Zevia. So that's what I know. I love y'all, and we'll see what my scale does as time goes on. Macros at the end. Bye. It's been a good day. It's been a productive day. Not like a wild, crazy, busy day, but a good, productive day. So I like those kind of days. So how are you doing? How's everything going? You know, are you staying focused on your future goals? Are you kind of going towards them, like 2 steps forward, 1 step back? Or are you going 1 step forward and 2 steps back? There's a difference. I feel like lately I've been going 2 steps forward and 1 step back. I've kind of been feeling that mode lately. But that's okay. You know what? We get down and we get back up. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. Messing the night away. Anyway, and that's us. That's what we're gonna do. We get knocked down and we gonna get right back up. Sorry, I had a phone call. So really quick, because my bestie's calling. So I have pork steak, Greek yogurt, and some balsamic vinegar, and apple creamy. It's been a good day. Oh yeah. If any other time I thought I couldn't tell if it was apple or not, you can tell apple. So that's all you get. I was going to talk to y'all It's been a great day. Hang in there. Whatever you got going on, just hang in there. Stay the course. Even if your scale doesn't look like you want it to, you know you're doing the right thing for your health. Plan and do for your future self. That's what we're calling discipline. It is prioritizing our future self over today's wants. Let's try it. And obviously, we ain't done it that much before, so let's keep trying it now. Bye. Here's my daily macros. That's my coffee this morning. Hit pause if you need to. And this was my lunch with my bacon cheeseburger. And this is my afternoon coffee. I always have an afternoon coffee at work. And this right here is my supper and my later on snack. But hang on. There's my total macros for the day. Thanks for watching, guys.